Oh my God.
This is wild. What is the difference between this and a mansion?
This is a mansion. When does it stop? Jimmy, I'm still going.
This is definitely the nicest bedroom we've seen so far. And it's nice because my head doesn't hit the ceiling. I can barely touch it now. This yacht has a living room, an office, a massage parlor, 2 dining rooms, and 7 bedrooms.
This is the best yacht I've been on so far.
I'm driving the boat.
Chocolate.
It's not feasible. It's not feasible!
Thank you for saving my life.
You're welcome.
No way.